Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just did a video using a zipper and I'm not very proud of it. So I thought I'd give it a better practical reason. So I took a zipper off the internet. You can see it's a bitmap. We're going to bring our zipper in and we need to trim this zipper. We're actually going to maybe rotate a little bit more. We want to trim it so one, we won't waste so much zipper, but two, so my ball is 26 inches and I'm going to set my nudge factor on 28. I'm actually going to make a duplicate of the zipper and mark it over there. And then I'm going to take both these and I'm going to intersect. And what that did, that cut that corner. Probably didn't even make a copy because we just keep that. And now you have this. So it's right on the edge. It actually looks like it's open. But for some reason, if you want to get rid of this line, we're not quite there. So what we can do, and that's one reason I decided to make the video, let's make a duplicate of that guy. Let's take this guy and left click, right click. Now the lines look like they're right on the money, but evidently they're not. So we can don't move the zipper, set your nudge factor on like 0.01, and just let's nudge our ball over and down just one click. Then we can take away that line. Now remember that we nudged the ball and not the zipper, so our zipper is exactly where it needs to be. Remember, go back to 28 inches of nudge. So now we're going to nudge our real zipper back. And look at that. Now I'm going to keep these lines for just a second. We are going to make our ball yellow. Just for grins, like a Pac-Man happy face. But because we have these lines up here, our nudge won't leak. So we're going to take it and we're going to make the nudge or the zipper like maybe a light gray. You can make it any size you want or any color you want. And then just fill in these items, and those lines are helping you stop, the nudge or the smart fill from leaking. And you don't really have to fill them in. They're not really white, they're transparent. Now I am going to take and right click no outline, so those lines are gone. I'm pretty sure I'm in the center of the page. I'm going to group and put P. I didn't group it. Group and then hit P. Now my circle is 26 inches. We could do this. We could make another 26-inch circle. My ratio is locked. Blue, P, object, order, back of page. Now we got an outline again, but we can always select it all and right click no outline, so there's no lines there. Pretty cool effect. Or you could do that, or you don't have to put a blue circle. You could put a blue rectangle or any color and just fill it in with blue. Let's do that peach. That way it fills in the whole spot. It looks like the zipper's open. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching. I think blue looks a little better.